If Allah is God, if Allah is all powerful, if He's the powerful, can He be in flesh like Jesus before? Can Allah be in flesh, like be human, like Jesus?
Can Allah incarnate? If Allah is all powerful, can He incarnate in flesh like Jesus?
Okay, I'm not done, because I watch your videos and you say that Allah cannot do ungodly thing. Okay, I take it, but here's the thing.
Brother,
it's logic.
Don't keep on asking.
Okay,
we are running short of time.
Okay.
Question should be 3 or 4 sentences.
Okay.
Your question is, can Allah become human being in flesh? The answer is no. Allah does not do ungodly things. Quran says in Surah Nisa chapter 4 verse number 40, Allah is never unjust in the least degree. Allah cannot tell a lie, Allah cannot do injustice. Or you can say, Allah will not do injustice, Allah will not become a human being, whichever you prefer. So Allah only does godly things. He will not do ungodly things. Now some people say, oh, don't say the word Allah cannot do. Okay. Say Allah will not. Okay, Allah will not. Some people feel bad. They say, oh, how can you say Allah cannot do so and so? Oh, they say, no, you should say Allah will not do. Choice of words. The logic, if it's strong. So some Muslims, they prefer you say Allah will not do. Okay, Allah cannot do, Allah will not do. If you're happy with that, I'll say Allah will not become a human being. Both the cases, never will you find Allah becoming a human being. Hope that answers the question.